Alright, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for probably a little over a month, but let me just kind of explain why. So this winter has been very rough for fishing here in South Florida. I mean, 3 cold fronts in a single week. One day it's 40 degrees, the next day it's 82. I mean, water temperatures 65 degrees, next day it's 70 degrees. So these fish are all over the place. I was sick for probably 3 weeks. I mean, ended up with bronchitis, which I'm just now getting over. I didn't have a voice for, shoot, almost 2 weeks. But there's more to it than just the weather, right? So as you've seen in the intro, I bought a drone. So this is going to take the channel to a whole nother level. I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro part. Been learning how to fly that. Also, I've been learning a new, because it's 4K and the GoPro shoots in 4K, I needed to get an editor that could support 4K to give you guys the best experience while watching these videos. So I have been learning Final Cut Pro, which has just been mind-blowing. So much information to take in and learn and try to put into these videos. So hopefully it came out pretty good, guys. Any kind of tips or any comments, please leave in the comment box below. Let me start off by giving a shout out to the Hannons for taking me out on their beautiful 36-foot contender. It's always a pleasure, and we always catch fish, right? So let me explain what you guys are going to see in the next, shoot, I don't even know, 6 to 8 minutes, right? You're going to hear it in one of the clips. I hate flat days. When you break the inlet and it's completely flat and there's not even a ripple in the water, those just are some of the hardest days I find being on the ocean, right? You're going to see clips where we're sitting on patches of weed with schoolies underneath of them, and we're throwing squid, we're throwing cut bait, we're throwing live bait, you know, and they're just turning their head. The best action we got was I was throwing this little weird jig that I found in Sean's tackle box, and it had a trailer wire treble hook. So, and I hooked up and he spit it, and I got 2 hits off that. It's pretty much the only thing that would attract them. And then after they realized what it was, they didn't want nothing to do with it. So, but there is a plus side to this story, so you're going to have to wait till the end of the video because it did pay off in the end. But yeah, it's pretty rough. You're going to see a lot of cool footage. Like I said, please subscribe. I do this to show you guys and give you guys the best experience. So enjoy. .8 miles. Did the artificial have like a lip on it, or?
Nah, you want me to put one with a lip?
No, it'll go. That thing's, it's heavy enough. It'll go down. It'll go down.
It looks like it's not down.
It's not gonna be like a super down, but it's down. Nope, he got off.
They're in a feeding frenzy here, but
No.
fish now.
Nick, where'd you put the jigs?
They're in that thing, bro.
They might take this now because you just turned them on. Yeah, you're going after it again. He wants it.
Dude.
He wants it more than he wants this.
You off, Nick?
Yeah.
Where are all the other officials at?
You really don't have any, bro. That's why I was just...
Do you have any? Look at him right there, see him?
I know. Doesn't make any sense.
I hate flat days, dude. I hate... Is that chum bag still chumming or what?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where they at?
Right here.
Couple of them, bro. I got hit out deep. Oh, do live bait, dude, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
They ain't gonna get the live bait's too big, dude.
I know. Where you see them?
Right there. Yeah?
Yeah.
He's walking me back. Hey, tell me you got the GoPro going.
I do. I do. We didn't even troll, bro. We bumped the boat.
This rod's coming loose.
You're gonna have to unplug that electric reel, Dad. But just unplug it from the reel. Unplug it from the reel.
It's a cow. It's nice.
Big fuck.
We might not even need to move that reel.
Fuck it up there, boy.
Get that fish box ready, Dad. Get that fish box.
Oh!
Get the fish box, Dad. Fish box.
That's how you stick a fish, bro.
Yeah, bitch!
That's how you stick a fish.
That's a beauty. That is a fucking beauty, bro. Hey,
Dad, you can lock it.
Riley, who told?
Alright, so
They're going back and forth with it.
Get your baggies?
yeah.
What you doing?
It's all belly meat, bro. You don't want none of that anyway.
A lot of meat there, huh?
Oh, dude, she's fat. This is all rib and fat.
Nice and cold. Is it cold still?
Nah.
Get that fucker on ice quick. That's what you want.
Like I said, man, we could have had a couple minutes. We could have had a second and a little bit faster. Feel.
I think we did it in like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Could have done 25 if we tried. Cut that belly open. Let's see what's in it.